Elevate your words. Mastering word choice in formal English. Hello there, language explorers. In today's video, we'll delve into an intriguing aspect of formal English writing: choosing appropriate synonyms for informal words. We often use informal words in our daily communication, but when it comes to formal writing, it's crucial to elevate our language. Remember, the right word choice can make your formal writing stand out. Formal English is typically used in professional, academic, or legal settings. It utilizes a more sophisticated vocabulary, complete sentences, and specific grammar rules. On the other hand, informal English is conversational and used in everyday, casual communication. When switching from informal to formal writing, one of the main tasks is to replace informal words with their more formal equivalents. That's exactly what we'll learn today. Before we can replace informal words, we need to be able to identify them. Informal words are often used in everyday conversations, text messages, or social media posts. Examples include kids instead of children, info instead of information, or wanna instead of want to. The next step is to learn the formal synonyms for these words. Remember, mastering this skill takes time and practice, so don't feel discouraged if you don't get it right away. Now let's look at how to find and choose the right formal synonyms. Below are some examples. Kids. A more formal equivalent would be children. Info. Choose information in formal writing. Wanna. The formal version is want to. It's not always a straight one-to-one relationship. Context plays a critical role in choosing the right word. For example, the informal word guy could be replaced with man, gentleman, or individual, depending on the context. Let's put this into practice with some sentences. Informal. I got a lot of cool stuff at the store. Formal. I obtained numerous appealing items at the store. Informal. I gotta find out what's going on. Formal. I must ascertain what is occurring. This practice is critical for internalizing the usage of formal synonyms. Try converting informal sentences into formal ones as an exercise. That wraps up our video on choosing appropriate synonyms for informal words in formal writing. I hope you found this helpful and enlightening. The world of English language is vast and exciting, and mastering formal vocabulary will certainly elevate your writing skills. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and soon you'll be a master at choosing just the right formal words.